Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us continue with our third unit, that is reciprocating machine. In previous session we have stopped till Whitworth quick return mechanism. So in this session we are going to deal with planar machine. Okay, these are the contents that I am going to cover in this session, that is introduction to planar machine, working of double housing planar and planar operation. So let us see the introduction of planar machine. Well, planar machine is designed to produce plane and flat surfaces by using single point cutting tool. Planar is just like a shaper machine, but planar machine is very large in size. Planar machine is capable of machining heavy jobs which cannot be done on the shaper. In this machine, the workpiece is reciprocated and passed to the cutting tool, which is stationary. In this process, the workpiece is reciprocated and tool is stationary. Okay. In case of shaper, tool used to be reciprocated and table and the workpiece was kept stationary. Here, the feed is given by crosswise movement of the table. Okay, so this was the introduction about planar. Okay, now let us see the working of double housing or standard planar. So here we can see a simple sketch of double housing planar mechanism. Here we can see the simple sketch of double housing planar mechanism. So firstly, it consists of a bed onto which a table is placed. Okay, on table a workpiece is held firmly. Now it consists of cross rail. Here we can see a cross rail. It is used to hold the vertical tool head. Here we can see the vertical tool head. Okay, now onto the base it consists of two columns, column 1 and column 2. Okay, the two columns are supported by cross beam and it consists of cross feed screw. The cross feed screw is used to move the tool head either in this direction or in this direction. Okay, and elevating screw is used to lift the tool head upward or downward. And in this process, the workpiece is reciprocated and passed over the cutting tool, which is stationary. Here the tool is kept stationary and workpiece is reciprocated. The tool heads are moved by hand or by power driven to give the feed. Here we give the feed either by manually or by power driven. Okay, this machine is basically consist of mechanical or hydraulic, which used to lift the planar table. Okay, so this was a simple explanation on double housing planar mechanism. Now coming to the planar operation, the planar operations are as follows: planing the flat horizontal surface, planing flat vertical surface, planing angular and machining dovetails, planing curved surfaces, planing slots and grooves. So this was about today's session. We'll continue the next topic in another session. So thank you.